everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me, and I'm going to show you how to make this adorable pumpkin crochet square, perfect for the fall season or Halloween. And I'm going to dive right into this tutorial. I'm using my size H crochet hook and Red Heart Super Saver yarn in color pumpkin. Isn't that perfect? And this is color spring green, and this is color I think it's Cafe Latte. Of course, you could pick your own colors, but I just thought these were so perfect and fun. All right, so we are going to start in the middle, and it's going to be, I'm going to move this to the side. We're going to start with the pumpkin color. So you're going to make move this over, magic ring, and you're going to chain 2. And you're going to make 16 double crochets in that ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, now we're going to pull this magic ring tight. Okay, and then I'm going to join to that first double crochet, and I'm going to chain 2, and now I'm going to make 2 double crochets in each of these stitches all the way around. So that was 2 in the first stitch, 2 in the next, and we're going to continue around. You're going to have a total of 32 double crochets. Yeah. Okay, 2 double crochets in that last stitch. Now I'm going to join to that first double crochet. I'm going to chain 2. And now this next round, this is where you're going to really want to count. Of course, once you memorize this pattern, it is smooth sailing. So, where are you going there? We're going to do 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next. And we're going to do that 6 times. So 2 double crochets in the first, 1 double crochet in the next. So that was 1. 2 double crochets, and then another double crochet in the next. So that's 2. So I've repeated the sequence 2 times. 2 double crochets, and then a single, and then another double crochet, just 1. So that's 3. 2 double crochets, and then 1 double crochet. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. That was our 4th sequence. And now this is our 5th. And then this one is gonna be our 6th. Okay, so I did that 5 times, or I did that 6 times. So 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to make 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2. Now a single crochet in the next 2. And then 2 half double crochets in the next. Now a double crochet in the next. And now we're going to do just like we did at the beginning. We're going to do the 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet 6 times. So 2 double crochets and then 1 double crochet. That was 2. Ooh, 3, 4, 5, and then this is the 6th. Okay, now you will have 3 stitches left. Don't worry if this is kind of bunching up like this. It's supposed to do that. So you have 3 stitches left. You're going to make a single crochet in each of these last 3. Okay. And now I'm going to join to the top of the first double crochet. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add in my green yarn. Okay. I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to make 18 single crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now you'll notice where you've ended up right where those 2 half double crochet stitches are. So we're going to make a half double crochet right where each of those half double crochet stitches are from the previous round. So half double crochet, and then you'll see here we are at the single crochet stitches. So we're going to make a double crochet right where these single crochet stitches are from the previous round. So there's 1 double crochet, another double crochet. Back at these 2 half double crochets, so we're going to half double crochet at the tops of those. Okay. Now we're going to single crochet 19 in the next 19 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, this is 19. But I like to do, I don't want to quite finish that stitch yet, and I'm going to show you why in a second. So you see we have these 3 single crochets left. It's time to add in our brown yarn because we're going to be making the stem. And I like to join in my yarn while I'm finishing off the stitch because it makes for a cleaner join. So if you're able to do this, I'm just finishing off my single crochet by pulling in that brown yarn. And now I'm going to do one more thing, one more little trick, because I'm going to have to pick back up this green in a minute. So I'm going to take my strand and I'm just going to hold it against these stitches. And I'm going to make 3 double crochets with the brown yarn, and I'm going to go through the stitch and crochet that green one in with it. So just like this. See how I'm going around that? So we have, actually I'm not going to make, I'm going to make more than 3 double crochets. So you're going to make 2 double crochets in that first single crochet stitch there. 1 double crochet right there in that middle. And then 2 double crochets in the last. Now as I'm finishing this last double crochet, I'm going to drop my brown and I'm going to pick back up my green. I'm just going to carry that through and I'm going to join back to my first green single crochet. And I'm going to chain 1. Okay? So look at that. So we've got our stem, we've got our fun little pumpkin. Now we're going to keep going. Now we're going to make this circle into a square. Okay, so we're going to do a single crochet in the first, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next. Now we're going to make our corner. This is going to be our first corner. So we're going to make 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, all in the same stitch. Okay, and that makes our first corner. Then we're going to make a double crochet, half double crochet, 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a half double crochet, double crochet, and now we're ready for another corner. So 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Now we're going to make a double crochet, half double crochet, 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a half double crochet, a double crochet, and we're ready for our next corner. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make a corner. Corners are 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, all in that same stitch. Now we're going to do a double crochet, half double crochet, 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a half double crochet, double crochet, and I'm ready for my last corner. Okay, we're making 1 more corner. See how this is all gonna be an even 4 corners? So 2 double crochets, a chain 2, 2 more double crochets, all in that same stitch. Now a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and now we're going to do our single crochets, and it's going to work out perfectly because there's 6 left. We've done a series of 7 single crochets on each side, and we had started with a single crochet, so this is perfect with 6 left plus the one we started with. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and remember the first one is our 7th, so we have 4 even sides. And now I'm going to join to that first single crochet, chain 2. Okay, let me lay this flat for a minute, spread it out. It's looking good already. Okay, so now let's do 1 more round of green. This is the easy part because there's not much counting here. We're going to do double crochets all the way around, making 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 double crochets in our corners. So you don't really have to count anything. You're just going to go ahead and double crochet in each stitch, just like so. And then 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 double crochets in our corner stitch. Okay, just keep going. Double crochet all the way around. Except for in the corners where you're going to make your double crochet corner stitches. Okay, back to my other corner. So I made 2 double crochets, a chain 2, 2 double crochets. I'm going to continue around. Ah. Okay, at the end of this round, and now it's time to join back in our brown yarn. I didn't clip it off yet, so if you haven't done that, you can do that now. I can also clip off my green because we're done with that. Okay, and I'm just gonna join in with my brown yarn. Okay, chain 1, and now we're gonna do just as we did in the round before, except for we're gonna be doing single crochets instead of double crochets. So single crochet in each stitch around, and in the corners you're gonna do, hold on, we're almost at this corner, if I can get there. We're gonna do 2 single crochets, a chain 2, and 2 single crochets all in that corner stitch, and then just continue back around. And I think you guys probably have a good handle on this now. See how the last border is gonna work? And at the end, you're gonna join, you're gonna weave in your ends, and you're gonna have a adorable pumpkin crochet square. You can find this pattern on yarnspirations.com.